Okay, so what we've got here is a wiper motor. This one I managed to pick up for 26 Australian dollars. That's a pretty good price. A lot of them sell for 250, 260. So first thing I need to do is just pull it apart, clean it up a bit, give it a bit of a service, see how the motor actually is, and then yeah, take it from there. Okay, so I've got the motor all put back together now, but what I want to do, we'll just show you what working. So that piece gets screwed down onto there, but just so we can see things happening, this cap needs to be on there. That'll make contact. Now I've connected up using the get that back up there. Okay, I've got some leads onto the terminal, so ignore the earth terminal. There's two terminals on there, and then they're just for positive and negative. Alright, so let's give this a run. So I'm gonna just put the leads. I'm using the battery of my R56 Mini. So let's check it out. There we go. It's working nicely. Alright, well that's getting that sorted. That's a couple of $100 saved trying to track down a replacement. Alright, so I'll screw that cover back on and then we're all done. Alright, thanks for watching my videos.